Ngayong summer, uso-uso ang mga sports clinic. Simulan natin ang summer sports clinic. Click na click sa mga aksyon na taekwondo and boxing! Okay. Ang tanong natin ay, kasama si Brad at si Japoy. Japoy, bakit taekwondo ang naisip mong, sport na sport?
Actually, nung bata ako,
Ito pala sabi ko nga, meron ka
basketball ako.
Basketball! Basketball muna sa akin! Paano ka napunta?
Nawala yung basketball program sa school for 1 year. So, since martial arts fan din ako, so sa school may nakita ko nagta-taekwondo. So, tinry ko ulit. So, hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy na siya.
Ilan taong ka nun?
11.
11? Ilan taong ka na ba ngayon, Japoy?
20.
20. So, since 11 years old, nagta-taekwondo ka na? 9 years. Ito naman, Brad. Boxing? Why boxing? Ito, nagsimba ka na. Ang dami-dami na. Ayan. So, why boxing?
Well, boxing for me was something that came up recently. Kasali ako sa isang boxing show. But I've been involved in martial arts pretty much my whole life. So this is just a new branch
Something
to
else.
explore.
Ano ba yung mga martial arts na ginagawa mo
Ano yung
noon?
first mo nga?
Nakalimutan na namin sa dami na sinukwento mo.
Well, like most people, I started in Taekwondo when I was 8 until I was 21, and then I did Muay Thai for 4 years,
Athletic, ano?
and Chinese kickboxing pa rin.
Chinese kickboxing?
Okay.
Pwede sample ng boxing since naka-ganyan ka na, gloves.
Okay, sige. Shadow boxing lang.
Oh, sige. Gusto yung magpa-boxing dito ng mga kasama natin? Ayan yung girls. Manood kayo sa mga ni Brad.
Panoorin nyo, ha? Paano yung ano?
Okay, so
Crash course sa boxing.
as my trainer always instructs me, keep your feet moving, and I will teach the punching technique later.
So, ayan. Naku, ayun na, oh. Ayan na, oh. Like dancing?
May kasamang dance pala ito, no?
Paano mo sa'yo?
Parang si Muhammad Ali sumasayaw.
Yes! Paano?
Ganyan, baka matamaan ka. Wala kaming ginalaman dyan. Subukan niya. Okay.
Eto na, turuan na natin yung mga girls natin.
Girls, come on over.
Eto na, si Christine at saka si Raisa.
Gusto ko lumayo kay Christine. Baka
Ako din kasi sabi ni Brad, malakas daw si Christine eh. Okay.
Okay, so the crash course in boxing, we're going to start with the jab. So everyone, left foot forward, which is good. When we jab, it's two things happen. Foot moves and twists slightly inwards. And at the same time, your hand comes from here, straight out and twist your shoulder. Just like that. That's the jab. So it's your feet as well, like that. Okay, and then the next one is the straight with the right. That follows the jab. So yung jab muna, like that. And then straight from there, your right hand is from here beside your face. You twist your shoulder, and you twist your back leg also.
Para palang pagsasayaw ito, no? Marami
Yes,
mga...
may some kind of a twisting.
Yeah, the power comes
Your arms.
also your
So kaya
legs.
nanggagaling yung power sa pag-twist ng shoulders.
Kasi isama mo yung katawan mo pala.
Yes.
Ganun pala yun.
Okay, so we have to get them hitting the bag later too.
Also, okay, game. Let me see. Let's see.
Okay, so if they're gonna hit the bag, just remember it's also your legs at the same time. So when you jab, straight out, twist your leg. When you throw the straight, twist your back leg also,
Ayan, so ayan.
like that.
So may nagtitwist sa ba din? Ayun, no?
Sabi nga eh. Ayan. Nakakatakot.
Okay.
Yun, baka matamaan sa ni
Sige,
Christine
Raisa.
dyan,
Go,
ha?
Raisa.
Alright, sige, try.
Ayan.
There, like
Medyo
that.
malinhin.
Ito ang mahinhin version ng boxing. There you go. Ito na yung malakas na version.
Yeah, I want
Ito kasi natalo kasi nung summer special. Eh, nalabas na lahat ng hinanakit niya.
Ayun,
Tama ba?
everyone hold the bag.
Lumalagpas. Ayan, ha?
Alright, thank you.
Very good.
Siyempre sa taekwondo naman.
Ito naman si Japoy. Okay. Siya naman ang magtuturo sa atin. Sino ba ang magtuturo? Harry, Edgar, and Dion. Naku, LJ, naka-high Observe.
So, yung first step, siguro ituturo ko sa kanila yung basic kick ng Taekwondo. Actually, siya rin yung usual na ginagawa namin sa competitions. So, first, parang boxing din. So, tataas muna yung knee, first step, then twist, tapos kick, tapos balik. So, madali lang.
Sabi,
Para maganda, lagyan naman natin ng shout.
okay.
Yun.
Ayan, ay, may ganon.
Meron.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Pero pag says, ow! Ayo!
Okay, ready? Go!
I love it!
Last one. Ready?
Last one.
Go! Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. Love it! Ang galing! Tutuwa ako. Alright, sis, summer na. Summer ka na at pumili ng pagkakalibangang sports ngayong bakasyon sa aming pagbabalik. Ang mga paboritong sports ng mga Pinoy ang ating pag-aaralan. Kaya, tutok lang!